What is up, Yellow Gang? Thanks so much for tuning back into my channel where we focus on self-love and beauty in and out. Welcome for those of you who are just subscribing. And today we are making banana Nicecream with just 2 simple ingredients. So it's probably the easiest Nicecream you'll ever make. First, you're going to need some bananas. I definitely recommend bananas that have brown spots on them because it makes the sweetness. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Then, once you get your bananas, you're going to peel them and place them in some type of bag or Tupperware or something along those lines. I like to use a bag because it's just simple for me, but if you have some Tupperware that you like to use, go ahead. Then you're going to place it into the freezer. Close the freezer.
6.5 hours later.
Then you're going to take them out of the freezer. By the way, I left these in for like 2 days, not 6.5 hours, but they're frozen. So make sure that they're frozen. That's the key. So now you're going to get your second ingredient, which is your milk. We used vegan cashew milk, but we also like to use hemp milk when we have it. And you're going to pour your milk into the container. Then you're going to blend. But first, make sure that you're plugged in. So you're just going to blend until you don't see any solid pieces. You could also add blueberries, peanut butter, cacao, strawberries, the list goes on and on. And that is your banana Nicecream. Super easy and a super awesome way to save your bananas that you think you're going to have to throw away soon. So go ahead and freeze those bananas. And it's so creamy. Look at that, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and share, like the video, comment if you wish. And make sure you go ahead and check out my previous videos on Peru. And stay tuned for the next one. I will see you guys very soon. Love you. Over and out. Bye.